Hello friend, this is Susan from LUTON Group. Now, let me introduce our self-loading concrete mixer truck to you. We can produce from 1.8 to 6.5 cubic meter concrete mixer truck. Here, this is a 4 cubic meter mixer truck ready for delivery. And here, there are 3 units 3.5 self-loading mixer truck, also ready for delivery to different countries. This is the most popular type self-loading mixer truck. Now, let me introduce our wheel loader for you. This is our front wheel loader, 3 units. This is a smaller one. It can be put into container very conveniently. Usually work together with the mixer pump. Okay, thank you. Welcome to visit us.